Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Support for Education, and in this video we are going to do the short and the long question answers of the chapter Gadari Babas in Kalapani Jail. Friends, ਇਸ ਗੱਲ ਦਾ ਧਿਆਨ ਰੱਖੋ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਦੇ ਲੌਂਗ ਅਤੇ ਸ਼ਾਰਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆਨਸਰਸ ਕੀਤੇ ਹਨ। ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਪੂਰੇ ਪਾਰਟ ਨੂੰ ਪੜ੍ਹਨਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਸ ਦੀ ਟ੍ਰਾਂਸਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਸਮਝਣੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਥੱਲੇ ਡਿਸਕ੍ਰਿਪਸ਼ਨ ਬਾਕਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦਾ ਲਿੰਕ ਹੈ ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੂਰੇ ਪਾਰਟ ਨੂੰ ਰੀਡ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ। ਤੇ ਜੇ ਅਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਆਪ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ YouTube ਚੈਨਲ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਫॉर ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਨੂੰ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਤਾਂ ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਰੋ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਨਵੀਆਂ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਆਪ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਮੇਂ ਸਿਰ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਤ ਹੋ ਸਕਣ। ਆਓ ਫਿਰ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆਨਸਰਸ। ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਲਿਸਟ ਅ ਫਿਊ ਕੀ ਮੈਂਬਰਸ ਆਫ ਦ ਗਦਰ ਪਾਰਟੀ, ਅਤੇ ਇਸ ਦਾ ਆਨਸਰ ਹੈ few key members of Gadar party were Lala Hardyal, Baba Sohan Singh Pakna, Baba Nidan Singh, Kartar Singh Saraba and Vishnu Ganesh Pingle. Second question है, what was the mode of torturing brave fighters by the British government? This answer है, the brave fighters were confined to dingy cells. Each of them was required to extract at least 30 pounds of coconut oil. Besides, they were asked to produce a coir thread by pounding the coconut husk. In case they failed to do so, they were lashed in public. अगला क्वेश्चन है, write the other two names for cellular jail. The other two names of cellular jail are Kalapani and Devil's Island. What was the physical condition of the cellular jail? The jail was infested with mosquitoes and blood-sucking leeches. Prisoners were given bad and inadequate food. It made them suffer through dysentery, high fever, tuberculosis and asthma. Who were the chief governing officials in the cellular jail? Jailer David Barry, Superintendent Murray, and the Chief Commissioner were the chief governing officials in the cellular jail. How were the convicts punished when they failed to work properly? If the prisoners failed to extract 30 pounds of coconut oil each and pound coconut husk to produce coir threads, they were made to face filthy abuse and were given up to 30 whiplashes in public. It made blood ooze from their skins. Who were addressed as demigods and why? The British chief officials in the cellular jail, such as jailer David Barry, were addressed as demigods. They were addressed demigods because they abused, humiliated and ill-treated the prisoners. What was the mantra of Gadarites right in the beginning of their conviction period? Right in the beginning of their conviction period, the Gadarites had resolved not to suffer indignity and abuse. They had adopted mantra to retaliate every act of abuse with force. Why was Jyotish Chandra Pal removed to a mental hospital? Jyotish Chandra Pal passed blood in stool after a long hunger strike and went mad, so he was removed to a mental hospital. Why did jail authorities discontinue some of their practices of bad treatment? Very stiff resistance through long hunger strike forced the jail authorities to discontinue some of their practices of bad treatment. ਤੇ ਦੋਸਤੋ ਇਹ ਸੀਗੇ ਸ਼ਾਰਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆਨਸਰਸ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਲੌਂਗ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆਨਸਰਸ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੈ, ਰਾਈਟ ਇਨ ਬਰੀਫ what you know about the Gadar party. This answer है, Gadar party was organized by Indian immigrants and revolutionary exiles in the USA and Canada in 1913. Lala Hardyal, Baba Sohan Singh Pakna, Baba Nidan Singh, Kartar Singh Saraba and Vishnu Ganesh Pingle were the key members of Gadar party. Their aim was to free India from British rule, but the rebellion failed and most of its members were hanged or punished to long terms of life in jail, which is called cellular jail or Kalapani. Some of the Gadar party members were very old. They were made to work on oil mill Kolu to extract coconut oil. They were kept in dingy cells and were tortured by jailed officers. 8 Gadarites died in jail. Their long hunger strikes forced the Britishers to transfer them to jails on the mainland. The members of Ghadar party were living martyrs. How were the Indians treated in the cellular jail of Andamans by the British officials? Indians were treated very badly in cellular jail of Andamans by the British officials. They were made to work on oil mill, kolu, and forced to extract a minimum of 30 pounds of coconut oil and pounding coconut husk to produce coir threads. If the quantity produced was less, they were made to face filthy abuse and were given up to 30 whiplashes in public. They were confined to small dingy cells and communication between them was disallowed. अगला क्वेश्चन है, discuss the various physical problems that the Indian freedom fighters had to face in the cellular jail. तो इसका आंसर है, Indian freedom fighters had to face many physical problems in the cellular jail. The weather there was very bad. The place was full of mosquitoes and leeches. They were given bad and inadequate food, due to which they were frequently sick with dysentery, high fever, tuberculosis and asthma. They were forced to work in oil mill, kolu, and extract coconut oil and pound coconut husk. If the quantity produced was less, they were abused and given up to 30 whiplashes in public. They were confined to small dingy cells and communication between them was disallowed. 8 Gadarites lost their life in the cellular jail. What was David Barry's address to the new group of political prisoners? David Barry, the superintendent of the jail, addressed every new group of political prisoners, asking them to strictly follow the rules and orders. If they disobeyed him, only God would help them. At least he would not help them. He also told that the prisoners to remember that God does not come within 3 miles of Port Blair, where the cellular jail was situated. They must also obey the warders and the petty officers in the jail. तो दोस्तों ऐसे के लॉन्ग अथे शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स इस चैप्टर दे।